Aidich agus atharraich a thula sion. Táirich agus Jean MacCoin agus leiki tú gáist orst iad hain. Taringich mi sias an an bukse de gachbun fuere, sé an kiste wai a hacket, out de bukse a sin. Channelis am komi, ha meer me goed en bereslich, Aidich hadjer. Chanje krieste a honum, chanje juwach a honum, chanje Zoroastrianach a honum, chanje fiús musulmanach a honum. Ha won mi gynjeren no de woord anichtje, no anichtje. Ga nou le nata de hami, no, hanu de nische na de wahanas, fiús hanu den gana hinsach en ganjiana, gana wulliger, ma hakrig. Sé aatje, gun aatje ma veré. Sé ma hare, gunna bhí a thorst, is gunna bhí ga thorst. Apparí tú go féichú má bhíoch, má chuasan, má húlan, má thrán. Chanewnú má had. Smise, béthe, an béthanan. Smise an cacht seo, a chuach seo, smise an dunne nach a lewn. Helik mi beri en da chútjad fáwaf cottarí sean wutjek. A mi feichkens ha mi ewach gacham skach such. Maar deunen en teun. En da goed jy hakem rienig a weer torst orst, atjechug, ko ha bruin. Aidich is atharraich a thularrut. Sé seo de gú hain an amach táwa far báwachan dé. Admit it and change everything. Define and narrow me. You starve yourself of yourself. Nail me down in a box of cold words. That box is your coffin. I do not know who I am. I am an astounded, lucid confusion. I am not a Christian. I am not a Jew. I am not a Zoroastrian. And I am not even a Muslim. I do not belong to the land or to any known or unknown sea. Nature cannot own or claim me, nor can heaven, nor can India, China, Bulgaria. My birthplace is placelessness. My sign to have and give no sign. You say you see my mouth, ears, eyes, nose. They are not mine. I am the life of life. I am that cat, this stone, no one. I have thrown duality away like an old dish rag. I see and know all times and worlds as one. One. Always one. So what do I have to do to get you to admit who is speaking? Admit it and change everything. This is your own voice, echoing off the walls of God. Coleman Barks.